was really excited, but this is where the tragedy began. We decided to fly on Spirit to save $1, and I'll be honest with you, I think you'd have better luck strapping your body with bottle rockets and launching yourself in the general direction of Vegas than flying on Spirit.
In all fairness, it wasn't to save $1. It was because it was originally supposed to be a one-way nonstop.
Yeah, well, first of all, this plane was nonstop because it never even left the tarmac. Backed out, broke down, and they had some guy doing something in here with a screwdriver. And apparently there was something wrong with the engines. It was very exciting. Mm-hmm. But we did, in all fairness, finally get to Vegas. 14 short hours later, we arrived in Vegas at, was it 6:30 Eastern? Or 3:30 Vegas time.
Flight times outdoors, cross-check and alco.
The nice thing was, though, during our delay, we did have some just over-the-top awesome entertainment right here.
Yeah, they were great.
It made me feel so festive.
Oh, look at her looking at you with the googly eyes.
And you know what? This isn't our first plane. This is the one that was leaving Detroit to Vegas. And it was super late, and let's just say the plane was not smelling super good.
I don't know what that means.
Here we are. We finally landed. We're the only ones in the airport, really.
First one's here.
You know, they always put the ones that pay out the most right at the beginning. That's what Clark Griswold says. So close. See, there we go. We're already down at all. Dang it. Rental car shuttle. Let's go get that rental car. Head over to the city.
Vegas. Vegas. Tell you something about Fremont Street. It is an experience. You don't have to spend a single dime in Fremont Street to be fully entertained. Just walk around and look at the people. this guy. He's getting it.
He is feeling it.
Getting it. I like the lady that runs into the freaking huge gorilla with her beer in the background. You know, she doesn't even notice there's a gorilla dancing and runs into him with her beer. And she's like, what? Where'd you come from? I'm gonna tell you what, this guy, he's bendy.
Very flexible.
See, it's the shoulder shimmy that helps him get into that box. Think of the money he saves on housing.
All right. His tip jar was half full.
Really? I thought it was half empty.
Right here in the middle.
What is happening? Oh, so I may have a slight contact high.
When you get to the end of Fremont Street, you'll see the Plaza Hotel and Casino. That's the same building they used in Back to the Future 2 for Biff Tannen's Pleasure Palace. Always cool to see something like that.